Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you all are all doing great today. For today's tutorial, it's all about dark blue smoky eye makeup tutorial with a dark lips. I'll call it smoky lips as well, makeup tutorial. So keep watching if you want to see how I achieve this gorgeous look. Please do continue watching. If you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, could you please subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. So let's get this ball rolling. From the palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, I pick up the shade called Rowdy and I use that as my transition color. I pick up a plain brush and I use that to blend it out in order for me to avoid an harsh line around that side of my eyes. From the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I already promised that I'll be using this palette a lot. Like, I'm going to do as many looks that I can do from this palette before I finally let it rest. So from that palette, I pick up a navy blue eyeshadow and I use that after my transition color. I use it on both of my eyes and I blended it out. I then pick up a plain brush to blend the two colors together. I mean, my transition color and the navy blue, I use a plain brush with no product on it to blend it together in order to avoid an harsh line. From the same palette of the BH Cosmetics, I pick up a shade. It's like a gold color. I decided to put it around my inner corner eyes in order to give that side of my eyes a little bit of color, to pop it out a little bit. The eyeliner that I'll be using today is called Eye Precision Liquid Liner and it's by Kiss. It's in shade Ink Black. So I went off the camera to apply my false lashes. I'm finding it sometimes very difficult to do on the camera, but one day definitely I'm going to come back on the camera and show you the struggle behind me fixing these false lashes. One of it is not cooperating well, but I'm like, I just have to work with what I have at the moment because that is the last strip I have at home, so that's what I use. To highlight today, I'll be using the True Match by L'Oreal concealer. I'll be using the shade W678 medium deep as my highlighter, and to contour I'll be using the LA Girl Pro HDI Definition Concealer in shade Mahogany. I'll be putting the list of all the products I use in my description box. Please take your time to read my description box, and at the same time I'll be coming in to highlight, to set my highlighter. I use the powder, the setting powder that is Sacha Buttercup. I've had this powder for a long time. I didn't know how effective it is because I have a combination skin. If I use a cream concealer to highlight, to contour, I have to set it, especially under my eye area. If not, it's going to crease and you start seeing lines under my eye area. So it is very important for you to set it if you have combination skin. Then I came in with an eye pencil by Estee Lauder. It's a double wear stay in place eye pencil. This pencil stays like forever until you're ready to take it out, and the number I use is called 09 Electric Cobalt. I will be putting the list of this product in my description box. Then I came in with a lip gloss by L'Oreal. The shade is called 308 Navy Spy. I so much love this. I love the outcome. Like, I didn't want to take it out. I so much love it. Then I pick up the beauty blender to blend out my powder in order to make them look perfect and neat. I so much love that beauty blender. It came with a set of brush that I just bought from Amazon. I hope one day I'll be able to talk more about this beauty blender. It's like a lifesaver for me. Then I use the Wet n Wild blush. It's called the Berry Shimmer. I don't know if they still carry this. I've had this in a while in my makeup collection as well, so I don't know if they still have it. Then I came in to highlight my cheekbone. This is super like dope for me right now, as in it's a drugstore highlighter and it works so perfectly. It's Sun and Bronzing Powder by NYC. Like I said, I'm going to put it in my description box. This one is called 706 Radiance. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give me likes, comments, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed.